Unleash the fun with the FanttikRide N7 Pro electric wiggle car. This isn't your average ride-on toy. It's a 2-in-1 swing car, offering both electric pedal power and manual steering for double the fun. Zoom around at 2 speeds up to 4 miles per hour. With the powerful motor and 12V battery. Safety's built in too. The anti-rollover design, featuring a pyramid-style chassis and upgraded rear wheels, keeps the fun safe and secure. Plus, flashing LED wheels add a dazzling light show to every ride. But that's not all. Bluetooth connectivity lets you play your child's favorite tunes while they cruise. The extra-large seat comfortably fits 2 kids, or even adults up to 150 pounds, making this a joyride for the whole family. Easy to assemble, this innovative ride-on is the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion for kids aged 3 and up. Ready to experience the FanttikRide thrill? Visit our product page now and let the fun